In this training video, we are going to walk you through a demonstration of the features, functions, and benefits of the ActiveAire Full Collection. The ActiveAire Collection from GP Pro provides long-lasting freshness to continuously keep the whole restroom smelling clean. All GP Pro air care systems are touchless, which helps minimize risk of cross-contamination. There are 6 fragrances available in our ActiveAire portfolio. Our total 360-degree portfolio allows you to use one scent throughout your restroom and eliminates the issue of competing scents. We will now discuss how to address odor and splash at the urinal with the ActiveAire deodorized urinal screens. These screens come in 2 options: the low splash deodorizer urinal screen and the deodorizer urinal screen. Low splash screens reduce splash by over 70% compared to no urinal screens and keep up to half a gallon of urine off the ground per month. We hope this video was helpful in guiding you through how to use the ActiveAire Full Collection. For more information, visit our website at gppro.com. Thanks for joining us.